obligatory for the new year.
This
Fair enough.
is the last time we'll see any of you
Mm-hmm.
through the festive period until after Christmas.
We'll see you next year.
We hope you are blessed with a plentiful bounty. You get everything you've ever wanted in all of your wildest dreams wrapped up in a bow underneath that Christmas tree. I hope your mother gets a new washing machine. I hope you get some new boxes and socks. I hope your sisters get the what the girls like. I hope your sisters get some chocolates and some tampons.
It's that time of the month.
I hope your dads get some beer. Brad, I hope your dad comes back.
Again, rip headphone users. We're using headphones right now. That was painful. Sorry, Brad.
Have a very Merry Christmas from all at CINEJOUST. As always, for the Christmas episodes, we will leave you with a song.
Of course.
It's Christmas!
Are you hanging up your stocking on your wall? Bam, 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 bam.
It's
Have
a
you
time
that
for
every Santa has a ball.
We should have probably looked at the words before
We,
we done this
we
one.
probably should have decided
Another big
a
bit.
song.
Does he ride a red-nosed reindeer? Tick. Does he ride upon a sleigh? For a day.
So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun.
CINEJOUST.
Look to the future now,
It's La La Land next week. Merry Christmas.
God bless us, everyone.